Maggie. Come here, Maggie. Hmm? Come on, Maggie. Come on, Maggie. Do you want to go outside? Hmm?
No.
Do you want to go outside?
No. No.
How come you don't want to go outside?
I don't want to.
Well, come on.
No.
Come on.
Kidnapping, kidnapping. I don't want to.
Oh, my. You gotta go outside, Maggie. Bobo's waiting on you. Yeah. There you go. Look at that. Look how happy she is about going outside now. Huh? Look who's happy now. Huh? Huh? Woo, 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 woo. Look at all this woo woo. Come on. Let Mom's orchid to go dead. Oh no. Did you go pee, Bobo? Go on. Go pee. He run in the doghouse. Alright, Bobo, come on. Is that better now? Huh? Everybody's all better now? Huh? Hmm? That's right. Better to go in the house, right? Come on. Come on, Maggie. Maggie. Oh, you gotta sneak behind me, don't you? Well, this is going to be Snow Chat 2. I didn't realize I even put... This is 6 hours from the first video, so it's really not coming down hard. It's literally just... You can see here, it's like a little tiny bit. I don't know how they... There. Can you see that? That's about an inch. And around an inch deep. A long way to go for... They're calling for 19 now. It's nice and wet. It's going to be really fun to shovel. Since somebody stole my old shovel, all I have is this old cold shovel, which is heavy. Well, it's a plastic one, but they suck. The reason why snow shovels have skinny handles like that is because you're wearing big gloves. You wear a thick handle, you use a thick handle shovel like that, and it makes you real fatigued, even when you're not moving a lot. When your hands are open too far. Little known fact. Anywho, let's see what it's like in the morning. You can see the bowling ball still out there. I don't know if you can quite see it. Here's a tractor. Bike's still there, not buried. You can see the car tires. Nothing's really, not much of anything yet. So, and again, fat bastard, I'm out.